Yeah, 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 yeah. If you don't know by now, if you don't know by now, man, I guess you should. Who got the throne, now who got next? That boy Natty got style that got him all vexed. Ain't trying to gumble, so really I don't bet. On track, spit facts, got him summarize the teacher. Yep, screw them. Even if I was that low, man, I wouldn't do them. So I'ma do me, that's a problem. Somebody hold him, a Tiger B has told him. Boy so wild, mama called him Tarzan. Not on the program, I just crashed in. Better yet, I'm blending. Being in the sky like an airplane. Can hear what you're saying, man. Miss, I hate Natty G, man. Go ahead with the hating then. I'm busy making other plans. How to second Benjamins. I hop in the sky, my level high, barely sober. Serial spitting.